Welcome to the introduction of MongoDB Atlas, a cloud database service. MongoDB Atlas is a fully managed cloud database platform. This platform takes care of all the infrastructure and management tasks, allowing you to focus on building your applications. This presentation provides an overview of what MongoDB Atlas is and why you might consider using it for your database needs. MongoDB Atlas is a fully managed cloud database service. It automates deployment, scaling, and management of MongoDB databases across major cloud platforms. With Atlas, you don't have to worry about the underlying infrastructure. This means no more manual server configurations, patching, or backups. Atlas handles these tasks for you, ensuring your database is always up to date, secure, and performing optimally. Let's explore some of the key features of MongoDB Atlas. First, it is fully managed, providing automated provisioning, scaling, and maintenance. Second, it supports multi-cloud deployments on Amazon Web Services, Azure, or Google Cloud. Third, it provides enterprise security with built-in encryption and authentication. Finally, it provides auto-scaling with elastic scaling based on demand. MongoDB Atlas offers the flexibility to deploy your databases on various cloud providers. These include Amazon Web Services, also known as AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform, also known as GCP. Amazon Web Services allows you to deploy on Amazon Web Services infrastructure globally. Microsoft Azure lets you leverage Azure's enterprise features. Google Cloud Platform lets you utilize Google's global network. Here's a simple example of how to connect to MongoDB Atlas using Python and the pymongo driver. First, import the Mongo client from the pymongo library. Next, connect to MongoDB Atlas using the connection string provided in the Atlas dashboard. Make sure to replace username and password with your actual credentials. Then, access the database and collection you want to work with. MongoDB Atlas offers several core benefits. First, it provides reduced time to market, allowing you to deploy databases in minutes instead of weeks. Second, it has cost efficiency where you only pay for what you use with elastic scaling. Third, it needs zero maintenance with automated backups, updates, and monitoring. Finally, it has global scale, allowing deployment across 80+ cloud regions worldwide. MongoDB Atlas offers various pricing tiers to suit different needs and budgets. These include the free tier, serverless, and dedicated tiers. The free tier is perfect for development and learning, offering 512 megabytes of storage and shared clusters, all at zero cost. The serverless tier scales automatically with usage, offering no minimum cost and auto-scaling. The dedicated tier is production-ready and starts from $57 per month, offering dedicated resources and advanced features. In summary, MongoDB Atlas provides a fully managed cloud database solution. It eliminates operational complexity while delivering enterprise-grade security, scalability, and performance. Are you ready to get started with MongoDB Atlas? If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.